sa Dragon Ball Z. Kasama ang Ajinomoto
Okay.
Crispy Fries.
Ng battery. Ng battery. Walang tape. Hindi wala lang yung battery.
This is Kisha making her puzzle out of her drawing. She made the drawing in oil pastel and then cut it up into several pieces and then made it like a puzzle.
Sa tingin ko ay alam mo dahilan kung bakit ako nakapagkita sa'yo.
Oo, tama ka.
Inaano ba, kuya?
Nasa isip mo. Sabi lang yung
Hindi ko naririnig. Kenneth, lika. Ako lalagay.
Ako. Siya yung pang second. Siya yung pang second.
Finished? What is that drawing all about?
Hindi pa ako makaisip eh.
What?
Hindi pa ako makaisip.
What does that mean?
Wait lang.
Dapat meron kang name dyan.
Uh-oh.
What's the name of that drawing? What's the title of that drawing?
Wait lang.
Ano naisip mo, kuya?
Is it finished?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.